Hey guys, Patrick here, and today I want to show you this really nice digital kitchen scale that was sent to me by the brand. This is the packaging that it came in. Very nice packaging, and it was wrapped really nicely inside, bubble wrapped with some foam. I wanted to quickly give you a little look at this. So it is really nice. As you can see, I've actually got it plugged in charging right now because it comes with a USB to USB, I think this is the USB-C, like the old version. But it comes with that and two rechargeable AAA batteries. So that off the bat is really nice. This is rechargeable. This thing looks really nice. It comes with two clear trays, this larger one and then this smaller one. And when you first get this, the actual metal scale is completely wrapped. So you'll just peel that wrapping off and you can see that really nice logo right there. You got your clear tray. So if you wanted, you could have it like that. See how it makes a lip up, or you could put it on top. You also could use this larger tray too, because it has the tear feature. You can zero it out. I'll show you how that works as well. This is really nice. You got your power button, your mode function, pieces, and tear. So just turn this on right here. You can see it says hello. Hello. Right now we are in grams. We're at 0. I'm going to show you how you can tear it out. So if you put something on, you can see that that's reading at 127.7 grams. But if we wanted to put this in and then weigh stuff on there, and we didn't want to include that, just press the T, the tear button. It's going to take you down to 0, and then you can weigh stuff inside of that, and that'll give you the weight. This is very nice, and it is very, very good as far as sensitivity of it. So I just put in a empty can, and it just read that. So we're at 20.4 grams. You can change between here as well. So you've got ounces, milliliters, count, kilograms, TL, fluid ounces, pounds, ounces. So a lot of different functions. This is really nice. Got your PCS button here, your tear button. I'm mostly going to be using this in probably ounces is normally what I'm weighing stuff in. So I'll give you a good idea. Again, just if you wanted to use this larger one, put that on there. It's already teared out because we zeroed it out, but we can put this in, give you a good idea if we were to put 2 trays in. Now you can see I have that additional weight. So just press that T, tear it out, and we'll just weigh some stuff in here to give you a good idea. So there is a can. Here is a giant thing of Parmesan cheese. And here is an electric pepper grinder. So you can see that will give you a lot of width. If you're going to use these trays to weigh stuff, it might be larger than this. And you have the ability to weigh a lot. So this is 35.45 ounces. With this, I'm going to take these off and I'll show you the back as well and the sides because it is nice and thin. It looks really nice as well. So just press that off button. Here's the side profile. It is really nice. And on the back here, that's where you put the batteries in. You have nice little feet here, 4 nice rubber feet. And then on the side right here is where you can plug in to charge with the included charging cable that I mentioned. So overall, really nice digital scale. I think it looks really, really good. I love this silver and like the stainless kind of gunmetal. And then when you're all done with it, you just turn it off and put your covers back on. The small one over the metal tray. And then you can put that larger one over the entire thing. There you go. Fits in a nice, neat package, and it looks really good. So if you're looking for a nice digital kitchen scale, I would definitely recommend checking this one out.